In this video, we are going to learn how to use the Tuffix environment. First, we are going to go to the top left-hand corner and press this blue icon and type in Firefox. Now, Firefox is going to be our browser, which will allow us to explore the internet. And once it loads, it'll tell you Welcome to Firefox. We can just press a new tab, close these down, and then we can search anything we would like. So I just will go to YouTube. Now, if you would like to take notes, you can go up to the top left-hand corner again and type in Notes. And here you can type in anything you would like. You could say, Hello World. And if you close it and you want to access it again, you can go up to the top right-hand corner. When this little notepad icon is right here, you can click it and it will save whatever you have typed before. And it can always be accessed during your usage in your on your desktop. And to hide it, you can press either this X here, or if you want to use your keyboard, you can press Escape, and it will go away. Here, I will show you how to change your account password. We can open up a terminal window by pressing Ctrl-Alt-T, type in PASSWD, and it wants you to give the current Unix password, which is going to be student, all lowercase. Now we can enter our new password, type it in again. The command should say that it successfully updated the password, and there you have it. Now, if you need to write some documents for school, there is a program called LibreOffice Writer. And this essentially is a Microsoft Word replacement, and it is free to use. There is no need to buy a license key. And there are a lot of different options you can do while doing your document. And the nice part about LibreOffice Writer is that it will export to Pages, Word documents, and PDFs. So you can be able to take your work and move it to any computer you like, and it will integrate seamlessly. This is a model of a basic Linux file system. Everything is built underneath this umbrella-like structure, and where root is on the top. This is the starting point, and then it branches out into separate divisions, where each one of these different sections will control separate aspects of the computer itself. Where, for example, TMP/TMP is going to be where temporary files are stored, will be erased from your computer once you reboot it. And right here where it says /home, that is where everything the user has access to. The user is going to be you, is going to be student in our case, but maybe it's Sally, maybe it's Bob, maybe it's Joe. For an example, I have downloaded this image here. It's going to be stored under /home/student/downloads, and it goes right here. And going back to the image we were just looking at, we can follow it, /home. Now where it doesn't show our student here, but imagine it says student, and then there's going to be another branch that branches into the download section. If it's two users, Bob and Joe, Bob will have his own separate downloads folder, and Joe will have their own separate downloads folder. The two can exist on the same computer. This is similar to how Mac OS is structured. It's the same file system. Chrome OS is a little different, where files are generally meant to be stored in the cloud, and there is no true file system on a Chromebook. And Windows is completely different, where there is the main drive, which is going to be your C drive, and then other attachments can be attached to the computer, and those range from A to Z, excluding C, because the main drive is the C drive. And there are 25 possible attachments you can add to a Windows-based machine. And this concludes the introduction to the Tuffix environment.